After about 10 minutes of charging this battery and then boosting it, it started this engine, and now it is being charged at 14.5, 14, slightly over that from the alternator. And here's that battery doing that work now. Now, this same battery, when I put it in, would not illuminate or start anything on the vehicle at all. Only when I added 40 amps and then boosted it with 200 amps to start it, did it have enough to turn over and then start. And now the battery is being charged by the alternator. So really what we have is some kind of very parasitic electrical problem on the Mercury. Right there. Look at that. Just waiting for me. Now, here is the Dodge's battery in the Mercury. A battery that starts the Dodge every single time. You hear that? You got power. And look at all those lights. Wonderful. Now when I try to crank it, oh, heavy hit. And all my power's gone. All of it's gone.